So I'm here in Parkland, Florida, about 20 minutes from Fort Lauderdale, to check out a joint where two chefs are knocking out some Mexican food in a gas station. Oh, there's a line. Does this usually take a long time?
Depends. Did you bring a book?
I hear it's worth the wait. This is Los Bocados.
I got a carne asada taco.
The food is amazing.
Fire one bocado bowl.
It's not what you would expect in a gas station.
Because the dudes filling up folks here, Robbie Bushman and Anthony Hoff, are real-deal chef buddies who stumbled on this surprising spot.
When I found this location with the hood, I called Anthony. I said, I think we should open a restaurant.
Mexican?
Mexican-ish.
I want a T-shirt that says Los Bocados, Mexican-ish.
What can I get you today?
You got Tostadas?
I pretty much ate everything because I'm here too much.
Pork quesadilla coming off right now.
The pork quesadilla is full of flavor.
It's got a lot of the nice spicy citrus. Pork is delicious.
We're gonna start off with Robbie doing the cooking. If Robbie at any time cannot handle things, bringing Anthony in.
We're making the citrus pork, salt and pepper,
Marinate it with this concoction. Onions,
oregano,
cumin,
garlic,
thyme, 2 big fat Scotch bonnets.
lime juice, fresh Florida orange juice, blended oil.
Is that a little vinegar sitting back there?
It is.
Blend this up
Right into the pork.
into the pressure cooker. A little bit of water and she's good to go. How
Yeah.
long?
20 minutes.
While that's working, what are we working on?
Guajillo glaze.
Guajillo.
Mexican-ish.
This guy kills me. Come on, honey, we're going to go down to Los Bocados, get some of that Mexican-ish food.
Guajillo peppers, brown sugar, rice wine vinegar.
That goes into another level of weird.
Oh, this one's Anthony's. Bring this to a boil. We're gonna rehydrate the peppers.
Into the blender.
Through a chinois.
I like the way you party.
We're gonna make the chipotle salsa that goes on the quesadilla.
The chipolote.
The chipotle.
Yep, boiled and skinned tomatoes.
Yep, and onion, boil it whole. Lime juice, salt, cilantro, water, garlic, chipotle and adobo.
And that's all she wrote. That's delicious.
Thank you.
Time to go.
Monterey Jack cheese, the pork that we cooked off.
Got it. I'm gonna be buried in that.
Our house-made pickled red onions, chipotle salsa that we
Our
made.
salsa.
Got into our flat top, guajillo glaze, crema.
Flip it, pat it down.
This is it.
It's like a taco ran into a burrito. I got good news and bad news. The bad news is, Chef, you are putting a lot of Mexican restaurants in a bad situation. That quesadilla right there is gangster. The pork's dynamite. The cheese is super creamy, super melty. The guajillo glaze should be on the shelf for sale. In your Mexican-ish restaurant, inside of a gas station-ish, mini-mart-ish place-ish,
Kurdish.
thank-ish. The discipline to what you're doing in food, fantastic.
Pork quesadilla going down.
The pork is incredible. It has like a citrus kick to it. It's good.
I have some special guests here on Triple D today. A good buddy of mine, Armando, as everybody knows him as Pitbull, has put together a school called SLAM. I think there's 11 campuses across the country right now. What's the whole school about?
Incorporating sports into kids' learning lives.
What do you think of the taco?
The taste was extravagant.
For a small gas station restaurant, made a big impact.
Boom!
Anthony and Robbie were really proud of the food they make.
Who's in charge, by the way?
We flip a coin to make decisions.
What was the last one we flipped the coin about?
Well, who's gonna cook? With
Who
you.
was gonna cook?
Yeah, barbecue brisket tostada.
The tostada is amazing.
I think Robbie's been making brisket since he was like 7 years old, so it's just great.
Robbie just cooked your dish.
Yeah.
Okay, now Chef Anthony's gonna cook Robbie's dish.
The next recipe we're gonna do is the barbecue brisket tostada. We'll start with salt, white sugar, black pepper, brown sugar, paprika, chipotle chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder.
What is that?
The black magic, they're burnt onions for the final flavor.
These guys get weirder as the time goes on.
And it goes right in the rub. You tasted it by itself. Taste the rub, though, with the black magic in it.
I dig it. So we're gonna dry rub this. At what
Roast
temp?
it at 500 degrees.
Now we're gonna go into the braising.
Onions, scotch bonnet, carrots, oranges as well.
You're in Florida, you should make it happen. Big fat brisket,
All the drippings right in.
beautiful.
Now we're just gonna add the beer and the water.
12 hours, and what temp?
250. All right, we are gonna make the barbecue sauce, a little bit of olive oil, onions, garlic, scotch bonnets,
These guys love the Scotch bonnets around here. Black magic, also known as burnt onions.
salt, and then a little bit of the brisket rub. Tomatoes. After the brisket is braised, we save the liquid. We're gonna add the guajillo glaze,
A lot going on for a gas station joint. What's our last piece?
the pickled jalapeno relish,
You get a point up on Robbie. It is jalapeno.
white vinegar, the jalapeno seeds, onions,
Jalapenos,
carrots, and then salt and sugar. After that, we finish with ice.
make it happen, Captain.
So here's the brisket, shredded, and we put the barbecue sauce inside. Avocado crema, cotija cheese, pickled jalapeno relish.
The filling definitely outweighs the tortilla. Chef, you got a very interesting way of doing stuff. You've got a lot of sweet from that barbecue beef, and it is really nice barbecue beef. The crema's delicious. You didn't have the jalapeno relish on there. You'd really be missing it. It's Mexican-ish because you don't follow the Mexican rules. You're flavor assassins.
Thank you.
Barbecue brisket tostada, avocado crema.
The meat on there is so tender.
The avocado crema, a little bit of pickled onions and carrots, it all melds very well together.
Chicken bocata ball, side of elote.
It's consistent. It's always high quality. I've never come here and not enjoyed my food.
It's delicious, it's Mexican-ish, and it's in a gas station. You know you want to find this place. It is worth the visit. Adios, that's goodbye in Spanish.
Goodbye.
You know, we have shot Triple D in just about every state in this great country of ours, and finally we arrived here in Fargo, North Dakota. This is our first time. Now, being that this is a college town, and go NDSU Bison, we knew they'd have some funky joints. So we found a place where two buddies that went to school together built a place that everybody loves to go to. This is Pounds.
Chicken tendy melt in the window.
It's our go-to date night.
Great spot for food, drinking, dancing.
Got your elote over, ready to sauce up.
Favorite thing on the menu?
I had never heard of a poutine, and they said that this place has gravy and fries and cheese curds all mixed in one. And I was like, what the is that?
Well, it's the kind of stuff Brandon Hers and Alan Casey are putting together after a journey that started in high school and ended as owners of this joint.
We actually didn't like each other in high school.
You didn't like each other in high school. That's a good way to start the business.
Well, we worked together in this place before it was Pounds. The offer came up to buy it, and we pooled together money really quick.
What's the food?
But we wanted to take good culinary foundation and apply it to, like, everyday
concepts.
Yeah. Pork or mac in the window.
The barbecue pork, mac and cheese, all around, just a very flavorful dish.
Oh, I think it's kind of a guilty pleasure, actually.
What dish are we making first?
Pulled pork on macaroni and cheese with barbecue sauce.
The health craze is taking over Fargo.
We're gonna make the spice rub for our pulled pork. Brown sugar, paprika, chili powder, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder,
Kitchen sink.
dried oregano, coriander, cinnamon, nutmeg,
Fenugreek.
dry mustard powder,
Sumac.
chipotle powder.
Nothing else you want to add to it? Why weren't you guys friends in high school?
Well, I didn't get the seat at the cool kid table.
Well, who's the one on the show right now?
The tables have turned, yeah.
Oh, how you enjoying the lobby?
We're gonna take our pork. We score it a little bit. We want the salt to be in every little square inch.
Really work its way through.
Yeah. Black pepper as well, pork rub. Now we're doing the mustard. This has vinegar in it, which is gonna help break down a lot of the connective tissue that we have here.
We're gonna grill it with the mustard.
That's correct.
Okay.
It's like that char flavored. Now we're gonna get our braising liquid together. Beer, cola, cider vinegar, some Worcestershire, liquid smoke,
A lot of it.
salt.
Pour this in.
Braise this for about 2.5 hours, just until you can shred it.
Dig it. Next up, mac and cheese.
Half and half.
It's in the double boiler, so it doesn't have direct flame contact, so it doesn't burn it.
Heavy cream, cream cheese, shredded white American cheese.
Do you think you want to get a bigger pot, Chef?
Shredded cheddar, no. It'll mix. Got to give it some time.
Oh, I'll get the time for you. What do you want?
No, I need my assistant back.
Alan!
You're into Gouda? All right.
It's so
A
Gouda.
little guy bird feeder. Just put some Gouda out there. Now we're gonna make our little sauce mixture for the mac sauce. Buffalo sauce, salt, pepper, onion and garlic.
Stir that up.
Add it to our sauce. Take our immersion blender and make sure everything gets incorporated properly.
What do we have left?
Barbecue sauce, ketchup, Dr. Pepper, Worcestershire, cider vin, brown sugar, paprika, cayenne, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, bay leaves, salt. Bring it up to a boil and then simmer for about a half an hour.
Gosh, there's a lot of ingredients in this monster.
Take a little bit of oil, pork, let this sear off. Noodles into our mac sauce, plate our pork sauce.
This comes with a side of treadmill. Pickled jalapenos. To make sure that things are safe and sanitary, my production crew have awarded me the Hippo fork, and it also recognizes small portions. It's a dynamite dish. Everything's gotta be right. Any one part of this not being right, you just put two sides together and call it a main dish. That's right on top of right and added some more right. The pork is delicious and not dried out. The barbecue sauce has got fantastic tang and not overly sweet. The mac sauce gives you that thin, silky, creamy texture. And the real kicker to the whole thing is the diced jalapenos, a little bit of the acidity, a little bit of the heat. Delicious dish. I mean, like, really have to take it away from me. I want to eat it all kind of dish.
Got the barbecue pork or mac and cheese.